Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will be talking about how we can connect our WordPress website or WordPress blog to Google Analytics. Google Analytics lets you know how much traffic is coming to your website and what's the status so that I can see and recognize from which location the traffic is coming from, and then I can further update or optimize my content based on traffic. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to visit this website, which is analytics.google.com. Okay, and you need to sign up or sign in. So as you can see here, I am logged in. So after signing in, what we need to do is we need to click here on bottom corner, which says admin. And here you will see these three tabs coming in, which is like first one is account. So you just need to create an account, and then you need to create a property, and then you can further filter it out. Okay, so you can create different views. So let's start with account. So I already have created an account, and I think I can categorize this new website in same account. Or let's say I don't want, so I can create here a new account. I'm gonna type here. Now I need to click here on next, and then here I will be typing property name. So in this account, it is directly asking me to create a property. So I'm gonna type here my domain name, which is c2c computers.in, and let me just copy it so that I can use it later on. And from here you need to define your reporting time zone. So since I am from India, so I can define India as my reporting time zone, and then you can change currency as well. Now let's click here on next, and here you need to define the size of the industry. So this one is just blog, personal blog. So let me find if there is any option there, or I can say is related to computer and electronics. And then here I can select the business size and what actually we want to achieve with this Google Analytics property. So I want to measure the customer engagement. I also want to optimize my app or site experience. So you can choose as many options as you want. So it's up to you. Choose whatever you want to choose, and then you can click on create. Now you need to accept terms and condition. So let me select India and then select this checkbox. Obviously you can select your country or region from where you belong, and then you can click on I accept. Now here we need to choose the platform. So here I am using web, so I can click here on web. And now here let me just put my website name, and then upstream name we can write my website, and click on create stream. Okay, so I think now we need to do is we just need to connect our Google Analytics to our WordPress website. So here we can see we already have some plugins available, and in this video we're going to use Monster Insight plugin. This plugin is free of cost and very old and pretty easy to use. So let me now jump back to my WordPress panel. And here you need to go to plugin and click on add new. Now in search plugin you need to search for Monster. And there we go. Here we can see this first plugin. Just click on install now and install this plugin. Okay. So after we install, let's click here on this plugin. You can read more about it, how it works and all. Now let me close it, and here you can see after successfully activating it, I can see inside. Just click on it. Now when we go inside this Monster Insight, if you haven't connected to your website, you will see this kind of setup wizard. Just click on launch setup wizard. Then here you can define kind of website do you have. So if it is a publisher or business website or e-commerce, you can choose any, and then you can click on connect monster insight, and then you need to choose your Google account and click on allow. Now here you need to choose your appropriate Google Analytics property. So in our case it is c2c computers.in that we have just created, and now I'm gonna click on complete connection, and there we go. We should able to connect our website to Google Analytics. Now here you also have option to track affiliate links and other, but let me keep all these things as it is, and let me click here on save and continue. Now in the next screen it is asking us to install this all-in-one SEO toolkit, but since I use another SEO which is Yoast, so I'm gonna uncheck it, and then maybe I will download this conversion tool, and then let's click on continue, or you can even skip, but I'm gonna install this plugin. And there we go. Now we can see we have successfully installed Google Analytics tracking code, and you can see the data can be collected, and this monster insight is also successfully installed. Now let me go back and let me try to open the same website incognito. And now let me also have a look on my analytics dashboard. Now let's click here on home, and you should see your data appearing here. Okay, so here we can see I have opened this website in incognito. It have recognized that one user is active, and then I can click here on view real time, and then you can also see what page actually the user is seeing, and then it also have an option to further track from where the user is watching in. So it have all the options that you need. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational, or you have any questions, then please do let me know in comment down below, and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.